This is questions 1, 4 and 7 in exercise 1.5 in Project Maths 2. We've defined the three factors of each of the following. So we'll look at question 1 to start with. And question 1 looks like it could be a difference of two squares because we have an x squared, a minus and a y squared. But 3 is not a perfect square. But what we can do to start with is we can at least take the highest common factor of these two terms and see what we get out of that. So the highest common factor in 3x squared and 3y squared is 3. And then we open our brackets and inside we're going to put x squared minus y squared. Like so, because if we multiplied the brackets out by 3, we'll get the original expression back. But now, inside our brackets, we have a difference of two squares. X squared minus y squared can be factored out, which means that if we factorize that out, we'll get 3 times x minus y multiplied by x plus y. And that is the expression fully factorized. And you can see there's 3 factors here. There's this one, and this one. So the 2 brackets and the number 3 are the 3 factors that are being referred to in the question. So let's take a look at number 4. In question 4, we have a quadratic trinomial, and it is possible to factorize it as it is, but because 5, 15 and 10 all have a common factor, if we take that common factor out, it'll make our quadratic far easier to factorize. So the common factor between those 3 terms is 5. So we put 5 down, and then inside our brackets we're going to have x squared plus 3x plus 2. Because if you multiplied 5 by each of these terms, you will get the original terms back, so the original expression back. And now, inside our brackets, we have a quadratic. So if we factorize that out, we're going to end up with 2 pairs of brackets, like so. And the first term in each bracket are going to be factors of x squared, which is going to be x and x. And the second term in each one are going to be factors of 2 that sum to 3. Well, 2 is prime, so it only has 2 factors. So we're going to have x plus 2, x plus 1. And once again, those are our 3 factors that are being referred to in the question. The 5, the x plus 2, and the x plus 1. Let's take a look at number 7. In number 7, we've got what's clearly a factorizing by grouping. And what we can do with this one is we can actually take our common factor out now. So the common factor for all 4 terms in this is 3. So we have 3 multiplied by ax plus 2b plus 2a plus bx, like that. And now inside our bracket we still have a factorizing by grouping, but this is a far more manageable one. So we're going to rearrange them. We're going to put the 2's together and put the x's together. So leaving our 3 on the outside, we're going to get ax plus bx plus 2a plus 2b, like so. Now in each of these pairs, so this first pair here and the second pair here, there's a common factor to be taken. So we're going to do that now. From the first pair, the highest common factor is x. It's going to have x times a plus b, like so. And from the second pair, the highest common factor is 2. So we have 2 times a plus b, like that. But now you can see that the 2 terms inside of our big square brackets have got a common factor, and that's ab. So we're going to have 3 times a plus b multiplied by x plus 2. And then once again, the 3 factors being referred to in the question are 3, a plus b, and x plus 2. And that is that.